It's not a jet. It's a flying fortress. And at $500 million, it's not just the most expensive presidential aircraft in the world. It's the most sophisticated, most protected, and most powerful plane ever built. You've heard of Air Force One. But what's inside the latest version will leave you absolutely speechless. This isn't some luxurious private jet with gold sinks and champagne on tap. This is a $500 million airborne command center, designed to keep the President of the United States safe, connected, and fully operational, even in the middle of a nuclear war. Let's start with the basics. The jet is a heavily modified Boeing 747, but the similarities stop there. This thing is armor-plated, EMP protected, and can refuel in the air, meaning it could theoretically stay airborne for days without landing. That's not a plane. That's survival with wings. Inside? Over 4,000 square feet of space. There's a presidential suite, full medical clinic, secure meeting rooms, communication hubs, and a situation room capable of launching a military response from 30,000 feet. And yes, it can stay fully operational even if every ground base goes dark. Now don't get it twisted. There's luxury here too. The design is sleek, the material's premium, and the silence at cruising altitude is engineered for absolute focus. It's not flashy. It's presidential. And let's be real. If this kind of high security, high luxury power fascinates you, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. This channel takes you inside the world of real influence, jets, yachts, fortresses, and the billionaires and presidents who use them. Back to the jet. Security? Off the charts. Heat-seeking missile defense systems, radar jamming, encrypted communications, and classified technology we'll probably never even know about. It's a plane built not just to travel, but to survive. At $500 million, some say it's excessive. But when you're flying the most powerful person on Earth through hostile airspace with the fate of nations at stake, there's no room for shortcuts. This jet is more than expensive. It's untouchable. And every time it takes off, the message is clear. The world's most powerful leader is in the sky, and he's untouchable.